Good morning. It is now 10:39 a.m. California time, West Coast. So I decided to make a video because I'm just walking and I was taking pictures of this wonderful plant. I don't know, let me find it. It was like, it had its own little print to it. Like, you know how zebras, they have like a little pattern to it. So did these leaves. They weren't just green, but they had white on it. And there was these petals that were going in a descending order. So they were like this. And then as you follow that down, then it goes deeper into a whole nother look. And I thought it was really nice. I took pictures, so I will post the pictures so that you can see the pictures I took. But I just thought it was really intriguing. Like, I'm just looking past and I'm like, oh, okay. I was reading this article about bugs that eat holes in your plants. And so since I was outside, I was trying to be an investigator and trying to see if I could figure out what bug was eating what plant. So I'm now about to show you these plants because they're so amazing. Amazing the little things that God has created for us. Well, not necessarily for us, but just for this world. I mean, something as like that. He put this yearning in our hearts that we will want something. We will yearn for something. We would just don't know what it is. We're just like, man, my life is not complete. There's something missing. And he did that. So with that and just how he made the world, like, I don't know, it's crazy. Because those plants, yeah, I'm going to make plants over there and I'm going to put this on it. I'm going to make all these different kind of animals, all these different kind of fishes. Like, not one animal, insect, insect, or any mammal or human. Like, we all need each other, you know? So he operated us to not only just be, you know, discover ourselves and stuff like that, but always be connected to his other children. You know, to our brothers and sisters. And so there's just things like when I think about God like that, I can't help but to smile because it just amazes me on just the little things that he's done. And I remember my mom, her boyfriend was telling me, he was just like, yeah, you know, your mom, she needs to be counting her blessings and not be stressing. And he was like, you know, there's something every day that you should be thankful that God did for you or that he's doing. So just walking around and seeing the trees that he's planted, it gets me excited myself because I'm just like, damn, a bad mood can turn up just by the video. It's not a picture though.
I'm gonna take a picture.
Is this good quality? Oh, you know, you push that button, right? I'm recording. She wasn't anything.
Oh my god! I clicked it like 3 times and it's changed.
Alright, look, I got this. I will touch it and control it. Alright, 1, 2, and 3.
Yay!
Maybe got some corn or something.
Yeah. Yours was like that too. Look.
What am I looking for? This?
Mm-hmm.
That's the yolk.
I know, it said it was seasoned. So.
Oh yeah. I wonder how they seasoned an egg that's closed. They probably injected it with something. So, how you like this ramen house?
Cool.
That's cool. You got any highlights about it? This is your first time eating ramen?
It's a lot different than like actual pho.
Oh yeah, because pho has like the clear noodles and stuff like that. What's the only difference about it? You're still getting broccoli, you're still getting carrots, you're still getting
I never heard
cabbage.
of putting an egg
Oh yeah.
in the soup.
Girl, that's Japanese stuff. So, it's our first time trying this ramen house. It's called Ramen House.
It's your second time.
I said this ramen house.
Oh.
It's called Raijin? Oh my god, girl, you have some. Yeah, but Raijin, is that what it says? Right?
No.
Okay, whatever. It's backwards, but it's Ryugin. So, and it's a ramen house. It's right there by. It's like 19 and S. So if you were to get off on 16th Street and go over there towards the Safeway, in that parking lot is the ramen house. It's actually like it's like right next to the Wells Fargo actually. So yeah, so it's not. I feel like with stuff like this, with pho and ramen, it's not that different. It's really just a broth and a whole bunch of ingredients. It's soup. I'm eating soup with an egg.
What I love is how they put cabbage. This cabbage is so good. And you already put that in like chicken broth or whatever. Like if I'm making cabbage, I put chicken broth in. So it's still kind of the same, but with noodles and other stuff.
Okay.
Remember me making cabbage and I always be like, I need chicken broth.
Okay. I was just like, what's that new mark? I don't remember saying that. But it was like a splash from your noodles. See, I need to get you a bed. You clearly don't know how to get stuff on yourself. Not get stuff on yourself. I'm sorry, I fully forgot about you stuff like that. And I wasn't gonna have it. But no, I do want to go to that 420 retreat. That seems like that'd be hella cool. We're doing it. I know that's something maybe next year. But even if it's not that, huh? I can wait for you. I'll put something else. You made a what? Oh, a car seat. Girl, you were so smart. What's your juice? I'm sorry, I forgot to include that. What's your juice?
Yeah, you gotta eat your food, baby.
I drink it all.
Mm-hmm.
And then I made a car seat.
Man, you messed up. You told her to drink it.
I'm supposed to drink a little bit when she was talking.
She went and dropped the whole thing and didn't even eat none. Hey, 2 bites of it.
I was so thirsty.
Mm-hmm.
So I drink it and drink. Drink it all.
Get real hungry and eat and eat and eat it all. How about that?
And drink it all.
You just put everything in your mouth.
Yeah, girl. Well, talk about loading this up. Hey, this egg is pretty bomb. That was pretty delightful. But look, load this. That's your favorite dance song. What are you doing? You would let the door? You said like, what were you doing? Yeah. Silly, but
Mia, hey, can you eat all your noodles, please?
I'm all finished.
you got a whole lot of noodles left.
You didn't eat anything. Eat.
Isn't that egg bomb?
Never bomb with if you eat it like I use the yolk out.
Like I never had an egg taste like that. Like my mom used to boil eggs and stuff like that. You know, you make the double eggs or whatever, but that egg, it was the one I ate, and then it was seasoned. Hell was nice. Like how do you season an egg? Like normally, you know, an egg is hard, so that they probably like boiled the egg, took a syringe and had some seasoning in it, and then just filled the egg with seasoning. Okay, so what you don't know here is that she dared me to drink some Sirracha. So I drank some. Wait for it.
spicy. It's starting to kick in right now. So I'm like, hey, it's your turn. She was trying to back out at the last minute after she dared me. So she does it.